This is Flawless Filler 27885. We're opening a box of Prizm Blaster here. So we're going to give little 5 spins on the random to get everyone on their team. And then we're going to go one more time. And the person who's on top after that 6th spin will win themselves an $850 Flawless spot. Not bad. Good luck. Let's get your teams first. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Spurs on top. 6 is on the bottom. I'll go back to here. All those teams are saved under where you picked up your spots. And then if we go back to here, we're going to go one more time. It'll say 6 right here. Team on top is into the Flawless break. And that team is the Sixers. Who had them? Spot 30 did Adam Young. Congratulations. Good start to your night, sir. I'm going to add you straight into that break. Flawless. Thank you.
You're more than 4.
Not right now. Thank you, Red.
Thank you,
Filler 27885 is Adam Young. Congratulations. It's going to be a slow fill, that one, but yeah, it's going to be worth it. Let's open these boxes. When did you get back, Peter Lee? Whoa! Use that code or make me an offer on breaks that have been sitting there for a bit. You say, I want these last 4 teams for $150, and I'll be like, on my calculator. And then I'll say, no deal. How about 650? Beal Ice Sheed Green rookie. Another green rookie of Bub Carrington. I'm already reaching too much. Just bring these over here. Eason. Trebe. Peapod. A red lava rookie, Cody Williams. 160 of 299. Decent little blaster here. Terrence Mann and Strother Silver. Embiid, and that is it for 27885.